Fefdy.
Word clusters are groups of words with a common theme, like E. Come on, let's see what E words are.
Word cluster. Sound E. E. D. Ed. E. G. Eeg. E. N. N. E. T. Eat. Write two-letter E cluster words. Ed. Eeg. Ed. N. Ed. Eeg. Eeg. M. N. Eep. Ir. S.
ED. Come on, let's see what ed words are.
Add a consonant to build ed cluster words. Bed, red. Bed, red, fed, led. Bed, fed, led, read, wed, med, ted, z. Read aloud egg words. Add a consonant to build egg cluster words. Leg, peg, keg. Leg, peg, keg, meg. Egg, keg. Leg, peg, beg, teg, meg, reg.
Identify the picture and match it to the correct words. Red. Leg. Bed. Peg. Keg. Red. Leg. Bed. Peg. Keg. Superb. That's the right way to do it. Read aloud and words. D-E-N, den. P-E-N, pen. H-E-N, hen. Identify and color the N cluster words. Peg, ten, gen, ten, gen. Hen, zen, men. Hen, zen, men. Yen, ken. Bed, yen, ken. Ben, den. Hen, men. Pen, ten. Gen, zen.
E-T. Come on, let's see what et words are.
Read aloud at words. Pet. Net. Wet. jet. Write a consonant to build ed cluster words. Pet, net, wet, jet. Get, jet, let, met, net, pet, set, wet. Write the words in the box and read aloud. This is my net. I can see the hen. Can you see the bed? This is number 10. Here is my jet. It is a pen.